NASA has just funded 7 far-out space exploration concepts, including a submarine that will explore the hydrocarbon seas of Saturn's huge moon Titan, also an origami energy reflector, and a rapid space transit with an electric sail. This is crazy science, this is amazing. All of these proposals, including the one for the submarine, have been awarded what is called Phase 2 of the NASA Innovative Advanced Concept Program, or NIAC. And these grants are, Margaret, up to $500,000, and they're trying to encourage the scientists to look into the feasibility of these projects, if we can pull them off, and to develop the specifics of these really groundbreaking projects.
They're so freaking amazing, just to listen to what they're up to. You know, NASA has this wish list that they're putting out, hopefully getting something to stick against the wall. And the fact that these projects were taken and that they're underway is so exciting. You know, NASA's had cuts for the past 20 years to their budget, and they're really their belt is really tight right now. So it's great that they're actually, doing these innovative things, and they're trying to get some things off the ground. We saw this with Pluto, 9.5 years in the making, and now we have these fantastic images coming out of this. I can't wait to see what's next.
I mean, this is the seed of many new explorations like we saw with Pluto. Let me tell you some of it, like we touch upon them, but this is one of the ones that I like the most. This is called the Swarm Flyby Gravimetry, and this is basically, they will let loose a swarm of sensors among asteroids and among planets to measure what's going on in there. That's one project. The other project is the Submarine, which that's the one that is the most advanced, and there's renderings, and there's a video out there about it. Basically, they tried to explore the liquid oceans of hydrocarbon in Titan, which is a moon that has a lot of similarities with Earth. So moving forward, that could be shedding light on new habitats and the possibility of us living in space. This one is really, really, really cool. It's called the PERISCOPE. And basically what they're doing is they're sending down laser beams into the caves of the moon so we can do 3D mapping of all the cavities that we can go in.
Can you imagine the images that will come out of this in the next few years? They're going to be incredible. You know, it's just amazing that NASA is finally, getting some funding, getting some money to be able to do these things that are so amazing. And how awesome is that? We could have 3D images of the moon.
Of the moon. And also in that same, there's a lot of imaging projects, a lot of exploration where we can send probes to tell us how things look. There's this really, really cool one. It's called the Transformers for Lunar Extreme Environments. And basically is a technology of reflectors that could be feeding energy to those vehicles, the transformers, that go into the deep caves of the moon to try to see if there's possible habitats or more information that leads to the history of the moon and how it's affecting us. I think the coolest one is the Heliopause Electrostatic Rapid Transit System. Basically, it's an electric sail that is going to be using the solar wind to move through outer space without the use of any common combustibles, which is really, really cool. But these are amazing, amazing discoveries that are waiting to be done with these grants. Let us know how you feel, and please subscribe to the LibTV 2.